is Anna, and I'm the lead teacher at Fern Village School. Waldorf is an educational system created by Rudolf Steiner, and the curriculum meets the child where they're at developmentally at each stage in their life. As a Waldorf teacher in early education, we strive to create a space for children that fosters truth, beauty, and goodness. Waldorf early childhood teachers strive to create a healthy rhythm for the children. Creating this rhythm creates a safe space for the child with knowing what is to come. Accept the children with reverence, educate them with love, and send them forth in freedom. Rudolf Steiner.